So I'm just going to go over the 3 steps. Load the data, do an initial balance, and unload the results. So load the data. For all of these, there's really not much interaction. You just say initialization. That loads the appropriate software. Run. So now data is now in the system. Now we do our initial, which is the information theory approach. I'm just going to change this value here so you can see the results. And we run it. As you can see, it runs very quickly. Certainly a lot quicker than if we'd used Solver. And now we unload the results. You see we got the new value there, and all this is mass balanced now. There are some differences between here and here. And if we look, we've got these fairly large results for the error.